Morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss about some aromatic organic compound reaction, very important reaction for your 2023 NEET thing. Okay, start करिबा. Some important reaction, very important reaction for your NEET exam. This is benzene. Benzene is treated with ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCH. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation to form toluene and its removal of its. Again, toluene undergoes oxidation in the presence of KMnO4 to gives benzoic acid. Any alkyl benzene undergoes oxidation to gives benzoic acid. Again, benzoic acid is treated with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form ethyl benzoate. This reaction is called as esterification. When acid react with the alcohol to form ester, this reaction is called as esterification. Again, carboxylic acid is treated with ammonia to gives ammonium salt of carboxylic acid. Ammonium salt of carboxylic acid, which on heating strongly to gives benzenamide. Okay. Again, benzoic acid is treated with is heated with P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide on heating to form benzoic anhydride. That is 2 molecule of benzoic acid, 2 molecule of benzoic acid react with each other to form benzoic anhydride. Got it? Removal of factor to form benzoic anhydride. This compound is benzoic anhydride. C double bond O, O C double bond O. That is benzoic anhydride. Okay, benzoic anhydride. Any doubt? Again, benzoic acid is treated with concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4. That is nitration. Benzoic acid, the carboxylic acid is a meta-dieting group. The electrolytic substitution reaction takes place at meta position to form meta-nitro benzoic acid. Again, is treated with bromine Br2 in presence of FeBr3 to form meta-bromo benzoic acid plus HBr. Okay, when benzoic acid is treated with sodium hydroxide, when acid react with a base, always removal of water to form sodium salt of benzoic acid. Sodium salt of benzoic acid again is treated with soda lime to form benzene. This reaction is called as decarboxylation reaction. Okay. Again, toluene is treated with chromial chloride in presence of CCl4 to form a brown color complex, which on further hydrolysis in acidic medium to form benzaldehyde. Okay, this reaction is called as Itard's reaction. Again, benzoic acid is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl to gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is called as Guttermann's reaction. Again, benzaldehyde is treated with HCl to gives benzaldehyde cyanohydrate to form benzaldehyde cyanohydrate. Okay, when benzaldehyde is treated with concentrated NaOH, this reaction is called as Kanizer's reaction to form sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. Okay. Again, benzaldehyde is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form metanitrobenzaldehyde, because electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at a meta position from benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde aldehyde group is a electron withdrawing group. Okay, when benzaldehyde again treated with hydrazine to form removal of water to form benzaldehyde cyanohydrate. Okay. Again, benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form chlorobenzene. Again, chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form orthodichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene. Okay. Again, chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form 1-chloro 2-nitro benzene or 1-chloro 4-nitro benzene. Again, benzene is treated with chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to gives 1-chloro chlorotoluene, orthochlorotoluene and para-chlorotoluene. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Again, chlorobenzene is treated with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form orthochloroacetophenol plus para-chloroacetophenol. Two isomers are formed. The para isomer is more stable than ortho. Okay. Again, benzene undergoes nitration, addition of nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form nitrobenzene. Okay, again nitrobenzene undergoes reduction in presence of stannous and HCl to form aniline. Okay, again aniline is treated with bromine to form 2,4,6 2,4,6 tribromoaniline plus 3 HBr. Okay, again bromine is treated with concentrated H2SO4 to form NH3 plus HSO4 minus. Again on heating 2 gives deuterium NH3 plus SO3 minus. Again this H plus transformed to this side. This is called deuterium to form para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Again, aniline is treated with dilute aniline treated with concentrated HNO3. So the exceptional case to form orthonitro-aniline plus para-nitro-aniline or metanitro-aniline. Okay, this is exceptional case. Only for this reaction. When aniline is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine to form N-phenyl acetamide. Poison bromination, again bromination to form this product. Further undergoes hydrolysis to form para-bromoaniline plus acetic acid. Okay. Again, aniline is treated with NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. 2 gives benzene diazonium chloride. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with CuCl and HCl to form fluorobenzene. Is treated with CuBr and HCl and HBr to form bromobenzene plus N2 gas. Okay. Here also N2 gas. These two reaction is called as Sandmeyer's reaction. Again, copper powder presence is treated with HCl to form chlorobenzene, and copper powder presence addition of HBr to form bromobenzene. These two reaction is called as Guttermann's reaction. Okay, again benzene diazoxide chloride is treated with H3PO2 plus H2O to form benzene. Again benzene diazonium salt বা benzene diazonium chloride is treated with water and warm it to form phenol. Phenol again treated with zinc dust to form benzene. All aromatic compound any conversion सब करि पारे. Again benzene diazonium chloride is treated with CuCl to form phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide. Again phenyl cyanide undergoes hydrolysis, complete hydrolysis to form benzoic acid. Okay. Again phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid to form orthonitrophenol plus paranitrophenol. Got it? Paranitrophenol. Thank you. Now OH group is ortho directing group. Again phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid to form picric acid 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay. Again is treated with bromine water 3Br2 to form a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol, a white precipitate. Again phenol is treated with chloroform CHCl3 and CHCl3 and NaOH to form orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay. This reaction is called as Reimer-Teimer reaction. When phenol is treated with NaOH, first one, second is treated with carbon dioxide and undergoes hydrolysis to form orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This reaction is called as Kolb synthesis. Okay, these are the some important reaction for aromatic compounds. 6 chapters. This chapter 6 chapters means benzene is 1 chapter, benzoic acid is 2 chapter, benzaldehyde is 3 chapter, chlorobenzene is 4 chapter, aniline is 5 chapter, benzene diazonium chloride is 6 chapter, and phenol also 7 chapter. 7 chapters main reaction तुमने कहिछि नीट निश्चय हेल्प आसबे एटा टिके प्रैक्टिस करिवो देखिवो नेक्स्ट संडे नीट एग्जाम अछि तमर हेल्पफुल हबो श्योर हबो एनी कन्वर्सन एनी मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ए रिएक्शन तुम कंप्लीट करि परिबो ओके ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम नीट एग्जाम थैंक यू